Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're working on this 2018 Chevy Traverse. We're actually going to start this repair off by going through the window channel area. Some of this damage was actually in between bracing, so we're using a brace tool here to push in between the bracing and the outer skin. Now we're actually switching to the glue pulling method. Here we're applying a tab and going to be pulling the damage out. Now we're actually holding the metal outwards with the tool while tapping in the high spots, kind of working on some crowns and pushing it down. This allows us to get the metal straighter, faster, more efficiently. Now it's time to take the door panel off. Disconnect the wires and the latch assembly, as well as take the latch assembly out. This gives us access to go through a different direction here, as you can see here, and push the damage out from a different direction. Now we're just finishing up with it. We're going to go ahead and put this back together. Put a couple of the finishing screws in the handle assembly as well as the grab handle, and we're good to go. Well, there you have it, folks. Repair is completely done. The customer was even nice enough to leave us a fantastic 5-star review here seen on Facebook. Well, there you go. As you can see, this damage came out fantastic using the Paintless Dent Repair Method. So be sure next time your vehicle has a dent or ding in it, especially with no paint damage, go ahead and give us a call. Don't go to a body shop where they're going to repaint half your car and have it in the body shop for 3 to 5 business days. We actually were able to complete this repair in 1 day, saving the customer time and money. So be sure to choose Paintless Dent Repair for your next repair. You can contact us at 605-595-4061 and we'll get you set up with a damage assessment and a repair time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.